If you've ever craved something sweet and salty, chances are you've reached for a Snickers bar. From its rich milk chocolate to the crunchy peanuts, gooey caramel, and fluffy nougat, this candy bar has been a favorite for decades. But have you ever wondered how this iconic treat is made? Let's take a peek behind the scenes and discover the journey of a Snickers bar. This is one of the biggest Snickers factories in the world, located in the heart of the United States. It produces a huge chunk of the Snickers bars sold nationwide. The process starts with the very first layer, the creamy milk chocolate. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans are carefully selected and roasted in massive ovens to release their rich, deep chocolate flavor. After roasting, the beans are ground into fine cocoa powder. This powder is combined with sugar, milk powder, and other ingredients to form a thick, smooth chocolate paste. Next, the paste is refined, mixed, and tempered in large machines. Tempering is an important step. This process controls the temperature and cooling of the chocolate to give it that perfect, smooth texture and prevent it from melting too easily in your hand. The result? Chocolate that's silky on your tongue but won't leave you with melted hands. Now let's talk about the peanuts. Every Snickers bar contains crunchy, roasted peanuts. In this factory, tons of raw peanuts are brought in daily. They are first roasted in massive ovens for about 30 minutes at a high temperature. This roasting process brings out their natural, nutty flavors, making them the perfect companion to the chocolate and caramel. While the peanuts are being roasted, the next key ingredient, caramel, is getting ready. Caramel starts in a huge industrial vat where corn syrup, sugar, butter, and condensed milk are mixed together. This mixture is heated to a high temperature until it transforms into smooth, sticky caramel. At just the right consistency, the caramel is poured into large machines where it's cooled, ready to be spread evenly across the bars. This caramel layer will be one of the defining features of Snickers' chewy texture and sweet flavor. Now comes the nougat, the soft, chewy center that holds everything together. This step requires a bit of magic. A mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and water is boiled and then mixed with whipped egg whites. This creates a fluffy, light texture that's essential for Snickers' signature chewy bite. After cooking, the nougat is chilled and then transferred to another machine where it's blended with peanut butter. The peanut butter adds a rich, nutty taste that complements the peanuts and caramel perfectly. Once the nougat and peanut butter blend is ready, it travels along a conveyor belt where it's carefully spread out into sheets of the perfect thickness. Next, a large amount of the freshly roasted peanuts is spread across the nougat layer. The peanuts are evenly distributed to make sure each Snickers bar has that perfect crunch in every bite. Once the peanuts are in place, it's time for the caramel to join the mix. The warm caramel is poured over the peanut-covered nougat, and everything is carefully pressed together to create a uniform slab. This slab then enters a cooling tunnel where it is chilled to a stable temperature, making it firm and ready for slicing. Once cooled, the large slab is fed into machines that cut it into perfectly sized strips. The factory uses precision machines to cut these strips into individual Snickers bars, each about the size you know and love. The bars then travel down another conveyor belt, ready for their final step, coating with chocolate. Here's where the magic happens. The bars are coated in a luscious layer of milk chocolate. First, the bars are dipped in a pool of melted chocolate at the bottom of the enrobing machine. Then they pass through another part of the machine where the top is coated with even more chocolate. This ensures that every inch of the Snickers bar is covered in that smooth, delicious chocolate shell. After the chocolate coating sets, the bars are passed through a cooling tunnel. This helps solidify the chocolate coating and prepares the Snickers bars for their final packaging. Now that the bars are fully coated, it's time for them to get wrapped up and sent to stores. The bars are fed into high-speed wrapping machines that seal them in the iconic Snickers wrapper. The machine wraps up to 1,000 bars per minute, making sure each one is fresh and ready to be shipped out. And just like that, the Snickers bars are ready to hit the shelves, packed with the perfect balance of chocolate, caramel, peanuts, and nougat. From the factory straight to the candy aisle, these bars are on their way to satisfy cravings all over the world. There you have it. The next time you unwrap a Snickers bar, you'll know exactly how it came to be, layer by layer, crafted with care and precision in a massive factory. A long day or the perfect treat to share with friends, Snickers will continue to be the candy that satisfies. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour of how Snickers are made. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory food videos.